Hello, I'm Edward and welcome to windowsreport.com. In this video, I will show you how to fix the QuickBooks Scanner Driver error 281. QuickBooks Scan Manager is a software that easily scans receipts and documents and adds them to invoices, sales receipts, bills, and other transactions. But sometimes the software fails and presents with a driver error 281, which can be caused by a corrupted installation, antiquated scanner drivers, or users utilizing outdated versions of the software. So let's take a look at how to fix this issue in no time. For a more detailed explanation and even more solutions, please check the article in the description below. The first solution is installing TWAIN scanner drivers. TWAIN is a widely used program that lets you scan an image using a scanner directly into an application, such as Photoshop, where you want to work with the image. So you have to note that you need to utilize a TWAIN compliant scanner for QuickBooks Scan Manager. Make sure that you've installed your scanner's TWAIN driver, which will be available for download on the scanner manufacturer's website. You will also need to have configured your scanner for TWAIN scanning. Another useful solution is turning off UAC. To do that, just click the start button in the lower left corner and simply type UAC in the search box. Then you have to select the Change User Account Control Settings option. In the following window, just drag the UAC slider bar down to the Never Notify setting and click the OK button. Afterwards, just try scanning receipts and invoices in QuickBooks with UAC disabled. You have to know that it's recommended that users turn UAC back on when they don't need to scan anything with QuickBooks. To do that, just drag the UAC slider up to the Always Notify setting and click OK. You can also update QuickBooks. First of all, you have to make sure you need to run the QuickBooks application as an administrator. You can do that by right-clicking the QuickBooks shortcut and running as administrator. Afterwards, in the QuickBooks application, just click the Help button. Then select the Update QuickBooks Desktop option. Now the application will be updated. Another great solution is repairing QuickBooks. To do that, just click the Start button in the lower left corner and simply type Add or Remove Programs. Then select Add or Remove Programs. Then in the following window you have to find the QuickBooks desktop software and then you click it and select Modify. After you selected the Modify button, a window will appear to ask you to repair the software. And click the Repair button and after Finish to exit. And another great solution is running the Hardware and Devices Troubleshooter. To do that, just click the Start button in the lower left corner and simply type CMD. Then you have to run command prompt as administrator. In the command prompt window, type the following command and press Enter. Then when the Hardware and Devices Troubleshooter opens, you have to click Advanced on the Troubleshooters window. Then select the Apply Repairs Automatically checkbox and click Next to initiate the troubleshooting. Afterwards, check if the problem still persists. For more information and details, please check the article in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.